So in this video, you learn how to unarchive apps on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So if you have archived apps like this, so I have this one that's currently archived as well as Apple Music, then if you want to restore them so that you can continue being able to use them on your tablet, what you're going to do is just access the app info page for that specific app. Now you can just go to the settings app and then scroll and select the option apps. Look for it listed right there and tap on it. You'll always be able to tell that an app has been archived because it has a download icon on top of it. So go ahead and select that app. And then in this app info page, you're just going to tap on the option restore and simply wait for it to be re-downloaded onto your tablet. Once it's been re-downloaded, all the data that was previously removed will also be restored. So any progress, any songs, say for example, because it's Apple Music, will successfully be restored once the app finishes downloading. If you have any other apps that you wish to unarchive, you can go ahead and find them. And then once you find them, just tap on them, then select restore and wait for the app to be re-downloaded onto your tablet with the data being successfully added as well. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.